Watch till the end because in the end I will be talking about my 20th notebook along with annotated BTR. Hello everyone, I am Diksha, a doctor and a content creator, and in today's video we'll be talking about last month's strategy for FMG. Bear with the background and the lighting because right now I can only manage to get this because construction is going on in my house. So without further delay, let's start the video. Three things if you follow completely, I can guarantee you will clear your FMG exam in first attempt without any doubt. So let's talk about last month's strategy for FMG. I call it Code 3 Triad. These three things are really important and it will help you clear your exam. These three things are TNDs, GT, and revision. Firstly, what is TND? TND is test and discussion. And why you need TNDs? You need TNDs because it will help you to learn how to solve MCQs. Like the faculty member will tell you that this is the question, why A option is correct, why B, C and D option is not correct, and along with that you will learn from the TNDs is the keywords, what you need to look in the questions, you need to learn how to solve MCQ, like you need to first सी द लास्ट लाइन देन द ऑप्शंस देन आपके दिमाग में आएगा अच्छा ये इस टॉपिक के बारे में. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम TNDs. And to save your time, I have already made a TND playlist. And if you will go on my YouTube channel, there's a playlist for TNDs. Watch all the videos of TNDs and then give GT. You will feel there is a mass difference between what were your score earlier and what were after like watching TNDs. And some of my followers have even texted me that after watching TNDs, their GT score have increased a lot. Second thing is GT. So GT helps you evaluate your weak areas. So अगर GT में आपका रेडियोलॉजी में कम मार्क्स आ रहा है तो मे बी यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन सर्टेन टॉपिक एंड सर्टेन इमेजेस जो आपको रेडियो में अगेन देखनी पड़ेंगी. सो गिव GT नॉट ओनली टू नो कि हाँ मेरे 150 से पार हो गया तो अब मैं क्लियर कर लूँगा एग्जाम. गिव GT टू इवेलुएट योर वीक पॉइंट, वर्क ऑन इट. इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि ये लास्ट मंथ है तो अब हम GT से भागे या GT को हम सिर्फ नंबर के लिए रखें. स्टिल यू विल यूज़ GT एज अ टूल टू improve your weak areas. And if you guys need to know that how I have increased my score from 135 to 210, I have already uploaded a video which is of around 12 minutes. I know that during this time I don't want you guys to waste your time whether in social media or on a YouTube video. That's the only reason I want to make this video really short. So if you need any information regarding GT, just watch this video. I will link this video in description or you can see it here. And the last thing is revision. Revision is really important because in this last month the only thing that will help you is your 20th notebook or your concise notebook, because you have to revise it multiple times. The more you revise, the more you solve questions, the more there's a high chances that you will clear this exam. There's nothing new, it has been done from like years and it won't change in future also. You have to do the same thing and you have to keep on repeating it. कम पढ़ो, बार बार पढ़ो, लेकिन पढ़ते रहो. So the 20th notebook, I will give example from my 20th notebook. So in this, like we know कि एमेनोरिया से at least 2 or 3 questions आते हैं. अगर मैं एमेनोरिया का ये एक पेज पढ़ ली, I can guarantee कि आप 2 या 3 क्वेश्चन easily एमेनोरिया के कर लेंगे. And that is the power of 20th notebook. That is the power of concise notebook. So there are few people who says कि मेरे पास 20th notebook मैंने नहीं बनाया है. So if you need my 20th notebook or even if you want an annotated BTR, I'm here to help. So I will give example of if you want a BTR, you have not made कि मैंने अपना नहीं बनाया नोटबुक, तो ठीक है आप BTR भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं बिकॉज सारे कॉन्सेप्ट सब कुछ सेम होते हैं. इट इज़ जस्ट a bit. So this is my BTR. It is annotated. It has PYQs, PYTs. Along with that, it has flashcard and it also has hashtag CC, which is like a choti copy thing, which I have included in my BTR. And in like last 10 days, I have only studied from my 20th notebook and BTR. So if any one of you need this 20th notebook or annotated BTR, you can text me on Instagram. I'm here to help. So I will keep this video very short. At the end, the only thing that I want to tell you guys, follow these 3 things: TNDs, revision and GT, and I can guarantee you it will make a difference. I have seen, like in my one-to-one guidance session also, I have seen people have made a huge difference in their scores in GTs. And the only thing that I wish for all of you who have watched till now is that you guys will clear FMG exam. Don't overthink. Don't get into this FOMO that you need certain thing or you will not clear this exam. I believe in manifestation. Manifest it that you will clear this exam, and I can guarantee you, you guys will clear this exam. And I want all of you to message me after clearing your FMG July, because I love to interact with people who have cleared it using these small tricks. And I'm here to help. The only thing I want from in return is just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I want कि 1K हो जाए, क्योंकि अभी 900 के around है. So that it gives me motivation to work more. And with that, I will end this video and see you in the next. Bye.